Hey everybody, wanted to go over question 21.29 in Braun-LeMay-Burston. Some things going on here. Now, these are some interesting reactions, and you may need a periodic table in front of you, but the idea here is that we have nuclear reactions happening, and we want to know what the heck they're producing, what the missing part is. Okay, and so whether it's alpha, beta, neutron emission, whatever, that's not going to be a big deal. But we just want to try to make sure that everything balances out. Okay, and so part A here, let's look. So again, what I like most about this is it's fairly straightforward in the balancing. So 252 plus 10 is 262, and there's 3 on this side. So that must be that the mass here has to be 259. Okay, and then 98 plus 5 is 103. There's 0 here, so this is going to be 103. And then if we look at the periodic table, we look up element 103. That is going to be our famous, our favorite, our favorite element, lawrencium, element Lr. Okay, and so here's a funny looking reaction. Okay, 5, so that's 5 on this side, 4, so this has to be a 1 here. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here, so that's going to be a 1, and then there's a 1 and a 2, that's 2, so I'm going to get that to a 1 1, so this is going to give us hydrogen 1 1. Kind of interesting. This is actually the fusion process that happens in the sun, or part of it. Okay, this process is what happens in a particle collider. That's how they made lawrencium to begin with. Okay, so now this is even more interesting. Notice we're going to make 3 somethings. Okay, so let's look at question C here. So it's going to be 12 because 1 plus 11 is 12, and 6. It's not carbon. We have to divide by 3, so it's 4, 2. So we're making 4, 2. Now it's not indicated whether it's a helium nucleus or it's a alpha decay, but either way, either one is fine. Okay, so I would say that that is the answer to there. Okay, so now we're doing one particle here, it's just 1, and so that's a 0. And this has to be a -1, so 0, -1, that's a beta emission, okay, or beta particle. I guess because we're not in, oh, yep, it does say nuclear, so I guess, you know, if you were to write this, I wouldn't necessarily mark it wrong, but again, kind of knowing the context of the reactions that we're dealing with, it would be beautiful if you wrote that for your answer for part D. Okay, now to get a little more room here. Okay, let's look at what we're going to do for E. For part E now, so this is going to be 27, because -1 plus something equals 26, so that's 27. And then 59 plus 0. Okay, and so what's element number 27? Is cobalt, CO. Make sure you have your capitalization. I find more people mess up the capitalization on cobalt than anything else. Okay, CO, carbon monoxide, CO, cobalt, 2 totally different things. Okay, so I hope that clears it up for question number 21.29 in Braun-LeMay-Burston. Have a great night.